3Doodler Start Plus 3D Pen Set for Kids. Safe, fun, and educational STEM toy for creative kids aged 6+. Looking for an exciting, hands-on learning tool to inspire your child's creativity? The 3Doodler Start Plus 3D Pen Set is the perfect choice for kids aged 6+. With no hot parts and child-safe plastic filaments, this pen offers a completely safe, burn-free experience. Designed to reduce screen time while encouraging imaginative play, the pen helps kids explore STEM concepts like design, engineering, and spatial awareness. It's the ultimate tool for creating 3D objects, from toys to art projects, making learning fun and engaging for both boys and girls. Unleash your child's creativity with this easy-to-use, safe, and innovative pen. The 3Doodler Start Plus 3D Pen Set stands out from other 3D pens with its slimmer, more ergonomic design that's comfortable for young hands. The pen charges 50% faster, ensuring minimal downtime and more creative fun. With 50% more filament included, kids can keep their creativity flowing without interruption. This upgraded pen also includes 10 new stencils, giving children even more ideas and templates for their 3D creations. Whether they're building futuristic cities or crafting custom toys, this pen empowers kids to bring their imagination to life in a hands-on way, unlike any other 3D pen on the market. The 3Doodler Start Plus is designed with both safety and quality in mind. Unlike other 3D pens, the Start Plus has no hot parts, so it's safe for kids to use without worrying about burns. It uses only the safest, child-friendly plastic filaments, which are rigorously tested to meet high safety standards. This pen's durable build ensures it'll last through countless hours of creative play. Plus, the pen is compatible with eco-friendly packaging, making it a smart choice for environmentally conscious families. For parents looking for an affordable, high-quality tool that encourages learning and creativity, the 3Doodler Start Plus is a clear winner. This 3D pen is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to developing valuable skills. Using the 3Doodler Start Plus, children learn how to plan, design, and build, all while improving their fine motor skills and spatial awareness. The pen's intuitive design makes it easy to use, so kids can jump right into creating. They can even use it to modify their favorite toys by adding ramps, accessories, or new features. It's perfect for building fun and educational projects that kids can enjoy for hours, making it an investment in their growth and creativity. Quality family time becomes even more fun with the 3Doodler Start Plus 3D Pen Set. It encourages children to bond with parents as they work together on creative projects. Whether you're helping them create 3D sculptures or designing new toys, the pen offers endless opportunities for shared experiences. With easy-to-use features, children can easily grasp the concept of 3D drawing without needing complicated technology. The 3Doodler Start Plus is a tool that fosters family connection, creative thinking, and imaginative fun. If you're looking for a way to get your kids excited about learning and creating, the 3Doodler Start Plus is the perfect choice.